Good morning, students. Today we will begin with the alkene series. The general formula for alkenes is CnH2n, where n is the number of carbon atoms. Alkene is an unsaturated hydrocarbon in which you are going to have at least one carbon-carbon double bond. So unsaturated hydrocarbons which contain double bond are called as alkenes. So here we have the table for alkenes. Value of n is given here. First four members we are going to study. That is, we will begin with the value of n is equal to 2 because we want a double bond between at least two carbon atoms. We want a double bond between at least two carbon atoms, and hence we begin with the value of n is equal to 2, or the first member of the alkene series will be with two carbon atoms. We have studied that the name begins with the root or the name of the parent alkane. So we will use here it because there are two carbon atoms, and the parent alkane containing two carbon atoms is ethane. But because it is an unsaturated hydrocarbon with double bond, we will change the suffix that is attached to the root to ene, that is taken from here, ene. So this suffix here is going to tell you about the type of bond that is present. Here we have a double bond, and hence we change the suffix to ene. So two things you have to remember. Because the value of n is equal to 2, or there are two carbon atoms, here we have the formula C2H4. Using the formula CnH2n, you will find out the molecular formula. Substitute the value of n is equal to 2 in this formula, and you get C2H. 2 into 2 is 4. So C2H4 is the molecular formula for ethene. So since you have two carbon atoms here, it is considered to be a derivative of ethane. Hence you will use the root word eth, and because it is an unsaturated hydrocarbon, you will use the suffix ene. So you get the name ethene. Molecular mass is 28. Then we will use n is equal to 3, the next member. There are three carbon atoms. So the formula will be C3H6. C3H 2 into 3, that is 6. So C3H6 is the formula for the next member, that is propene. Because there are three carbons, the parent alkane is propane. So we will use the root word here, or the parent alkane prop. But because it is unsaturated with double bond, we will change it to ene. Instead of ane, we will write ene. So the name of the compound will be propene. Molecular mass is 42. N is equal to 4. You get the formula C4H8. Since there are four carbon atoms, it is considered to be a derivative of butane. That is an alkane with 4 carbon. So root word will be but, and ane will change to ene, because again you are going to have a double bond between two carbon atoms in butene also. Molecular mass is 56. N is equal to 5. So if there are 5 carbon atoms, it is considered to be a derivative of pentane. So we will use the root word here, pent, or the parent alkane will be pentane, and we will use the root pent and use the suffix, that is en, e for indicating the double bond. Formula of pentene is C5H10 and the molecular mass is 70. So I hope that now you all must have definitely understood how to name the compounds. You have always to see the number of carbon atoms in the molecular formula. If there are 2 carbon atoms, it is going to be considered as a derivative of ethane. If there are 3 carbon atoms, it is considered to be a derivative of propane. 4 carbons, derivative of butane, and 5 carbon, derivative of pentane. So accordingly, you will get your root names here: eth, prop, but, and pent. And because all of these are unsaturated with a double bond, the suffix for all of these will be same, that is ene. Here also, if you compare the 2 consecutive members molecular formula, you will find that they differ by a CH2 group. If you add CH2 to ethene, you get the formula for propene. So C, and this is C2, total carbon become 3, C3, H2 here, plus 4 from here, that is 6, H6. So this is true for any 2 consecutive members. Any 2 consecutive members in the series will differ by a CH2 group. Similarly, the molecular mass also will differ by 14. Molecular mass of any 2 consecutive members in the alkene series will also differ by 14. So this is the alkene series, and you have to draw this in your notebooks. You need not show this CH2 group or molecular mass that is differing by 14. This is just for your information. Remaining table you will prepare, you will write down the formulas.